Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue. First, gather your ingredients: egg whites, sugar, and a pinch of cream of tartar. Ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are completely clean and grease-free. Even a tiny bit of fat can prevent your egg whites from whipping up properly. We'll start by separating the egg whites carefully, making sure no yolk gets into the whites. This foundational step is key to a light and airy meringue. Now let's get those egg whites whipping. Begin on a medium speed until they become foamy. This incorporates air gently. Once you see soft peaks, it's time to slowly add your sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time. Increase the speed to high and continue whipping until the mixture is thick, glossy, and forms stiff peaks that hold their shape when you lift the whisk. This process usually takes about 7 to 10 minutes. With your perfect meringue mixture ready, it's time to shape and bake. You can pipe it into various forms or simply spoon dollops onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake your meringues at a low temperature, typically around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 1 to 2 hours, depending on their size. This slow baking dries them out without browning. Once baked, turn off the oven and let them cool completely inside. For the best results, always use room temperature egg whites. They whip up much faster and achieve greater volume. Once your meringues are completely cool, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. This keeps them crisp and fresh for several days. Avoid refrigeration, as humidity can make them sticky. And speaking of staying fresh, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.